Follow the steps on how to quickly and easily blur the background in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting an image. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Then select Subject. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Press Ctrl-I to invert. Click this. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. You can set it here. If it's too thick, you can still reduce the opacity. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.